to Igbo Stories with Ngozi.
Hello everyone, and hello boys and girls who have been requesting these animals series. Today I'm back again with the wild animals. We will be going through the wild animals today, and we are once again reading from my book, My First 100 Animals in Igbo Language. It's available on Amazon and the link will be in the description box. Let's start. Lion. Lion is definitely a wild animal. It's not our friend like the dog is, right? Lion in Igbo is Odum. Odum, lion. If you listen to most Igbo songs, Christian songs, they always refer to God as Odum Nebo Judah, the lion of the tribe of Judah. So lion is Odum. The next animal is tiger or leopard. It's Ago. Leopard is more indigenous to us in Africa. Tigers are more found in India. But they are all in the same family and they are all used. They all go with the same name. So leopard, cheetah, tiger, they are all called Ago. But the lion is Odum. The monkey is Enwe. Monkey. Enwe. Chimpanzee is Adaka. Chimpanzee. Gorilla is the big one. Is called Ozodimba. Gorilla. The African civet, which is, it's very unique to Africa, this animal. It looks a bit like it's in the cat family, you know, like cheetah and in the cat family. It's very furry with spots. It's called Ediora. I understand that this animal comes out usually in the night, so you don't see it in the afternoon. It's called Ediora, which is probably why the name has aura in it. Maybe. Fox. The fox is called Ofu. Fox. Ofu. The deer is Ele or Ene, depending on your dialect. Deer, Ene or Ele. The antelope is called Mbada. Antelope. And the gazelle is called Atu. Gazelle. And the wolf, which howls at night, is called Ago Owulu. The boar, which is the wild pig. This is not the one we learned last week. It's not Ezi. Ezi is domesticated, whereas the boar is the wild one which you find in the bush, and it can sometimes actually be vicious. It's called Eziofia, so it's the bush. So it's the pig of the bush, the pig of the forest. Eziofia. Ofia means bush or forest or jungle. Eziofia is the boar. The hyena is called Nkitofia. Hyenas look like dogs, but they are wild and they make quite a funny noise. They have a funny screeching sound. They are called Nkita Ofia, which is like a wild dog or a dog found in the forest or in the bush. Okay, Ofia means bush, Imofia, in the forest. Bush baby. Bush baby is called Ikili or Ikiri, depending on where you're from. The difference is just the L and the R in the pronunciation. So Ikili or Ikiri, Ikili or Ikiri. This animal, it's a very, there are lots of myths surrounding these animals, and there are lots of stories that we were told as children about bush baby and how it cries in the night, and how when you come out, you think it's a baby crying, and when you open the door, it turns into this big monster and it will attack you. But I don't think any of that is true. They are all myths. Bush baby, as the name implies, is a nocturnal animal, meaning it's a night creature, and it's a small animal, and it does sound like a baby, but it doesn't eat people. You can see the picture right there. So I hope I have demystified this bush baby mystery that we grew up not knowing what this bush baby looked like. I hope you know what it looks like now. The bear. The bear is Okano. Okano bear. I don't think this is indigenous to us in Africa, because it's quite a big and furry animal that mostly, I don't think it does well in the heat, in my opinion, but that's what it's known as, Okano, a big meat, a big animal, because it's quite big. The other animal is called the zebra. The zebra is called Ịnyịnya Nkawa. Ịnyịnya Nkawa. So Ịnyịnya, again, it's a horse-like creature. It looks like a horse. So Ịnyịnya Nkawa means stripe. O kawara akawa. Efemo kawara akawa. My dress has stripes. Okay, so the stripes on the body of this horse makes it Ịnyịnya Nkawa, a striped horse-looking creature. Okay, Ịnyịnya Nkawa. The giraffe is called Okapi Ogologo. Okapi Ogologo. Or the Ogologo. It's got a very long neck. Okay, so it's Okapi Ogologo, with a very long neck and long legs. What's the elephant called in Igbo? The elephant is known as Enyi. Elephants. Enyi. Enyi. So that's the end of today's session. We've covered the wild animals today. On our next session, we'll cover the different types of birds in Igbo language. Keep practicing these animals and keep practicing their associated sounds. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and give us a thumbs up and share this video with your family and your loved ones. Until next time, Nyagaziaruno. Take care and bye-bye.